This is the AI News Flash for April 19th, 5 a.m. UTC. First up, military drone maker Aevex Aerospace raised $320 million in its New York Stock Exchange IPO, with shares jumping 15% on debut. Shares opened at $23.01 against the $20 offer price, giving the company a $2.57 billion market cap. Backed by Madison Dearborn Partners, Aevex supplies unmanned aerial systems to the U.S. Department of War, Special Operations Forces, the intelligence community, and allied partners. Tactical Systems contributes 75% of revenue, powered by the proprietary AI-based CompassX sensor fusion engine, which delivers assured positioning, navigation, and timing in GPS-denied environments. With the Ukraine war and Iran conflict driving defense spending higher, investor appetite for defense tech IPOs is surging. Commercial deployment of AI-driven autonomous weapon systems has entered a new phase. Next, NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang has acknowledged that cumulative AI company exposure now totals approximately $40 billion. Beyond major stakes in OpenAI and Anthropic, strategic investments extend to suppliers Marvell, Lumentum, and Coherent. Rather than backing a single winner, Huang spreads capital across the GPU, networking, and AI factory ecosystem to reinforce NVIDIA's franchise position. Policy risks are also surfacing. Huang's public opposition to U.S.-China export controls, competition from AMD, Intel, and custom ASIC vendors, and governance concerns from equity stakes in model companies have pulled geopolitics and capital allocation into the core AI thesis. NVIDIA's growth narrative can no longer be told purely in terms of hardware sales. Third, Engine, an enterprise travel management platform built on Salesforce's Agentforce 360, disclosed production results for its AI agent deployment. AI agents Eva and Slackbot autonomously handle half of customer chat cases, cutting average handling time by 15% while raising customer satisfaction. Salesforce itself has disclosed approximately $100 million in annualized support savings from deployed AI agents. These results underpin the bull case, targeting $51.9 billion in 2028 revenue and a $317 fair value share price. However, analysts warn that AI may lower switching costs and compress software economics faster than Salesforce can deepen its platform moat. The agentic AI competitive race remains unsettled. And finally, PrismML released Bonsai, a 1-bit language model family achieving extreme quantization. Available in 1.7 billion, 4 billion, and 8 billion parameter sizes, Bonsai uses the Q10G128 format with effective 1.125 bits per weight. The 1.7 billion model compresses from 3.44 gigabytes in FP16 down to just 0.24 gigabytes, a 14.2 times reduction. On RTX 4090, the 1.7 billion model runs at 674 tokens per second versus FP116's 224, roughly 3 times faster. On Apple's M4 Pro, 250 tokens per second, demonstrating consistent multi-platform gains and making edge and on-device deployment practical. Based on Qwen 3 dense architecture with grouped query attention, supporting context links up to 65,536 tokens, with models available for local deployment through the PrismML organization on Hugging Face. The technology is positioned as a key driver for resolving AI infrastructure cost bottlenecks and accelerating local AI inference across smartphones, wearables, and IoT devices. That's all for this AI News Flash.